guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. Of course, this is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we are right here. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. Boom 1000 started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and of course it gave us a downtrend signal, and of course plus the sell signal, it was able to sell for a very long time. So it got to this support zone, it was unable to go below this, so it started an uptrend right from there. So this is buying at the moment, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, even though it is having a little pullback at the moment, but it's still going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Boom 500 started the downtrend right from here, and of course broke out from this support zone to a new support zone, and of course it is still selling at the moment. If it breaks out below this, then definitely it's going to sell more, but if it does not, then we are most likely to get a buy trend right from there. Okay, so we should watch out for this support zone. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. This might not be for a very long time if it's unable to break out below the support zone, but once it breaks out from there, then it's going to sell for long. Okay, now let's check out crash 1000. Okay, crash 1000 was on downtrend before, but got to this support zone, was unable to go below that, so it started an uptrend right from there. So this is buying at the moment, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. It started a downtrend right from here, and of course it sold for a very long time till it got to this support zone. Right now it has started an uptrend, and it is still buying at the moment, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The last asset is going to be volatility 75. Volatility 75 had been on uptrend, even though the movement was not that smooth, but it's been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so and it is still buying at the moment. If it's unable to break out above the next resistance zone, then it will go back on downtrend, but for now it is still buying. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies, share their practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.